एस्ट्रोलॉजी
Right.
कहती है आप सक्सेसफुल होगे, आपकी लॉटरी लगेगी,
Mm-hmm.
but how much will you make in success? That has to be seen from the divisional chart. The D10 chart will tell us not only how successful you will be, but also the achievements in your career and your attitude towards authority. Some people get very egoistic, some are very humble, some help others, some only help themselves. ये D10 चार्ट से दिखता है.
So
So
बहुत
astrology is a pathway.
जी
Pathway है ये
pathway है,
कहेगा आप.
but it is a complete, it gives an idea of a complete map that how these choices will affect us in our future.
Yes, and I also tell everybody one thing. जो कुंडली है ये एक पीस ऑफ पेपर है, ये एक सॉफ्टवेयर है. इससे बड़े आप हो. यू आर बिगर देन दिस. You have the flexibility to make changes. What the Kundali is saying is क्या होगा आपके साथ, but you can change the magnitude. अगर कुंडली कहे कि आप इंजीनियर बनोगे but you want to become a doctor, आप बन जाओगे. But at the same time, you may not be happy in your profession. You won't do very well in your profession. So align your energy with what the chart is saying. It is better for
Absolutely.
you. You
Hmm.
will be more successful, more content, more fulfilled.
Absolutely. And as the conversation just started, and I can clearly see that all the people who are listening to us, if they have any questions regarding job switch or the career choice, you will be getting answers during the show. But still, अगर आपके पास कोई और question है, आप कॉल कर सकते हैं शो के दौरान. The number is 510-770-1550. Again, the studio lines are open now, and the number where you can call and reach Dr. Bhatia right now is 510-770-1550, or you can always connect with him directly by calling his office at 408-639-5300, or you can log on to the website, which is saketbhatia.com, for all the information regarding him. And you can also email at info@saketbhatia.com for any particular questions. So let's start with the most common question, which is कि जॉब चेंज करने का सही समय क्या है? So, what would you say to everybody who thinks about this or who has this question in their mind?
I think, first of all, you have to analyze yourself and see if it is right for you to switch your job. अपने खुद के स्किल्स को भी आइडेंटिफाई कीजिए एंड से दिस इज माय लिमिटेशन, दिस इज माय एबिलिटी. फिर थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा पढ़िए एंड से इफ यू वांट टू गेट अ बेटर पोजीशन, हाउ वुड यू गेट देयर. फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पर काफ़ी लोग आते हैं हमारे पास उसे आई एम अ इंडिविजुअल कंट्रीब्यूटर और आई एम अ प्रोग्राम मैनेजर, बट मुझे डायरेक्टर बनना है, आई वांट टू रन एन ऑपरेशन. For that, you need to have some business experience. Maybe you should go get a MBA degree. One way to check that out is look at your fifth house, which is higher education. अगर fifth house पे अच्छा transit है या दशा चल रही है, it is clearly indicating you should go back to school. But if you really want to just change your career, then we must definitely look for a good transit. Jupiter is a good planet for everybody. वो अपनी दृष्टि डालता है नाइन्थ हाउस पे या टेंथ हाउस पे. इट इंडिकेट्स गुड लक एंड गुड करियर चेंज. सो look for that particular transit, number one. Number two, dasha antardasha. If these planets are 10 houses away from each other, it indicates career change. If there is Jupiter or ninth lord transiting over the 10th lord, then it also indicates potential for career change. I am telling people these days, economy is not good. So think before you switch your career. Many of
Ye-
you, if you're working in companies which are not stable,
जी.
yes, it makes sense, but make sure your kundali is supporting. कभी कभी you do make the mistake of jumping to another company और वो move अच्छा नहीं रहता आपके लिए. So to move careers, please be certain that your education supports what you're going to do, or your ability to do what you're going to do. वो backing होनी चाहिए आपको. And the dashas are important. तो इट इज इसेंशियली जो हमने पहले कहा वही सपोर्ट कर रहा है, बट अ लिटिल मोर easier and more confidence from you. To switch career, Vedika, you need to have a good Mars, ability to take action, and Venus, the satisfaction you get from your action. ये दो अगर अच्छे हो, you will be able to switch your job. अगर इनकी दशा हो, at any time you can switch.
We have a caller waiting. Let's quickly try and take a call.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air. Oh, I think the call got dropped. You can call us back. We still have time to take your call, and the number again is 510-770-1550. So you were telling about the timing.
Timing is just typically Mars and Venus. So I think that segment we can complete.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that is, we've been discussing that, timing is not something which is just magic. It is also you. You have to have the confidence कि हम ये कर सकते हैं.
True.
Do not go in a job without knowing your true potential yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Correct. कोई कंपनी का सीईओ अपने आप नहीं बनता. They have skills. They have talent. It is
Right.
easier for you to grow talent and get a job than get a job and grow your talent. Okay?
Makes
Make
sense.
yourself good
Definitely.
first.
Gee.
Yeah.
So, next, which comes in mind is about the industry. Like, if you want to switch, which industry should you go for? So, which industries are favored by current planetary positions, if I may ask?
देखिए हम रहते हैं बे एरिया में and it's safe to say that most of us here, even most of us listening to this show, are in some shape or form connected with software or IT companies, right?
जी, जी.
But the world is not IT companies, na? अगर हम spectrum देखें, there is healthcare, technology, oil, there is networking, there is wellness, बहुत companies हैं. But
Absolutely.
इस साल, based on the planetary positions, from May through December, there is some planets which are supporting only particular industries for changes or business investments. If you're a software professional and you're working for a consulting company, you can always work for healthcare. You can always work for oil, right? You're a software person. You can work for one. This year, May through December, three areas are showing significant potential. One, metal and steel. Two, tourism. And three, oil and gas sector. I know it sounds rather shocking, but these three segments are showing the most strength based on astrology. Steel sector, which is metals also, tourism. So it could be airlines, cruise, whatever be the case, and
Mhm.
oil and gas. Resilient sectors हैं ये इस साल के. With Jupiter's movement, we are also seeing secondary strength, means not as strong, but secondary strength for pure software. Not hardware related, but pure software. Financial services. हम financial service कहते हैं because Jupiter is transiting through Gemini.
Okay.
Gemini is the planet of business, Mercury, communication. Short term investments अगर करनी है तो financial services में कीजिए. We expect those companies to do very well. We do not expect good stuff to happen with real estate this year. Another segment which is good is healthcare sector. Okay, so this
Mhm.
is secondary.
Yep.
Segments which are not looking good in astrology: agriculture. Second segment, renewable energy, which is nuclear energy. You know, let's say EV charging companies हैं उनके, they're not looking good. And finally, consumer goods are looking actually pretty terrible this year. So sectors to avoid: agriculture, consumer goods, renewable energy. Sectors to really get into: metal, tourism, and oil and gas. Those are what we recommend in astrology as preferred for 2025, all the way till the end of December. इनको बहुत सपोर्ट मिल रहा है. बट अगेन, आपकी खुद की बर्थ चार्ट देखनी है व्हेन यू मेक दोस करियर डिसीजंस. अगर आप इन्वेस्टमेंट्स भी कर रहे हो, सिंस जुपिटर इज गोइंग टू जेमिनाई, लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. शॉर्ट टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट, शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेडिंग, नो मैटर हु यू आर, बट उसमें भी कौन से सेक्टर में करना है, दैट विल डिपेंड ऑन योर कुंडली. करेक्ट.
Yeah, that took me to my next question because it is important not just working hard, but working hard in the right direction. So, how a birth chart can tell like what should be your path, what should be your career choice?
तो व्हाट इंटरेस्टिंगली एक रूल है एस्ट्रोलॉजी में विच इज नॉट नोन टू मेनी एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स, कि इंसान का करियर is very easy to figure out from
Yeah.
the placement of the 10th lord. जो 10वें घर का मालिक है, उसकी लोकेशन नवंश में कहाँ है, विच इज D9 कुंडली.
Mm-hmm.
अगर ये असेंडेंट सन मून से देखे जाए तो इट बिकम्स क्रिस्टल क्लियर. इफ यू हैव योर सन, योर मून सिटिंग इन योर असेंडेंट, लगने लगन में बैठ जाते हैं, आपने लाइफ में एक ही करियर करना है, रिमेंबर दैट, जस्ट वन। अगर आपकी कुंडली में सन या मून फर्स्ट हाउस पे बैठ जाते हैं, यू आर लाइकली गोइंग टू हैव नो मोर देन टू प्रोफेशंस इन योर लाइफ। अगर सन मून अलग अलग घर में बैठे हैं एंड असेंडेंट अलग है, you will have no more than three professions in your life. Some people dabble. They go to school for engineering and then they end up doing something else, right? They could end up starting a restaurant. Some
Yeah.
people go to school for business marketing. They end up becoming an actor. Why? This is the rule. तो अभी हम बात करते हैं थोड़ा इसका डाइव करके डेप्थ में, हाउ इट हैपेंस
Mhm.
इन वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी। काफी लोग इस शो पे भी कॉल करते हैं, विल माई सन बिकम अ डॉक्टर, विल माई डॉटर बिकम अ जज, रिमेंबर दैट, ऐसे कॉल्स
Yeah.
आए हैं हमें।
Yeah, I remember.
So my trick is to always look at the 10th lord placement in Navamsh. But एक और एस्पेक्ट भी है, सिक्स लॉर्ड जो है, छठा घर, वो सर्विस का है। इट डजेंट मैटर वेदर यू आर एन आरजे और एन एस्ट्रोलॉजर और पॉलिटिशियन, आप सर्विस तो कर रहे हो किसी ना किसी की, राइट? दिस इज योर डेली जॉब। सिक्स
Mhm.
हाउस विल शो अस योर डेली जॉब, योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, किस तरह का काम आप करते हो। इट इज नॉट योर पोटेंशियल, बट आप क्या करोगे, किस फील्ड में काम करोगे। दसवां घर पोटेंशियल होता है, इसलिए ए बर्थ चार्ट में हम कुंडली में सिक्स और टेंथ दोनों पढ़ते हैं। द क्वेश्चन यू आस्क्ड मी इज करियर पैथ दैट इज अलाइंड विथ योर बर्थ चार्ट, राइट?
Right.
छठे घर में अगर मून पड़ा है, वी नो मेडिकल फील्ड, हॉस्पिस, रेस्टोरेंट, एवरीथिंग मून रिप्रेजेंट्स। डेंटल केयर, ये मून है। फार्मिंग, ये मून है। ऑन द अदर हैंड अगर उसमें वीनस है, एक्टिंग, मॉडलिंग, राइटिंग, these become opportunities for you. इसका मतलब ये नहीं आप एक्टर बनोगे, you could work with a team of actors, you could work in the media field, correct? So Venus is artistic sensitivity, अगर ये 10th या 6th में हो, then it becomes more evident कि this is a good field for you to get into. Mercury हो तो we know you're going to get into business prospects, you're going to try something about related to having your own business or running business, correct? Interestingly, अकाउंटिंग में आठवां घर होता है अदर पीपल्स मनी, दसवां घर होता है करियर। अगर आठवां घर 10वें में चला जाए या 10वां 8वें में चला जाए, यू डील विद अदर पीपल्स मनी। वी कॉल दीज पीपल लाइफ इंश्योरेंस एजेंट्स और वी कॉल देम सीपीएस अकाउंटेंट।
Accountants, yes.
इनकी कुंडली हमेशा होती है रिलेटेड टू 8th and 10th हाउस। आई हैव स्टडीड टू मेनी ऑफ देम। तो
Okay.
वी हैव टू लुक एट बर्थ चार्ट में 6th and 8th हाउस। हम टाइमिंग भी देखते हैं। समटाइम्स यू वांट टू मूव योर करियर। आई हैव हैड इनफ ऑफ working at a company, I now want to start my restaurant, ये transition phase देखना पड़ता है। your natural talents are also important, right वेदिका? आप में exactly
Absolutely.
क्या है? अगर आपकी कुंडली कह रही है कि मून इज इंपॉर्टेंट बट आपको मार्स का करना है, तो ये नहीं चलेगा। यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी हैप्पी। ग्रांटेड मार्स माइट बी रूलिंग द सेकंड हाउस ऑफ मनी, पैसा मिलेगा बट आप खुश नहीं रहोगे, यू माइट नॉट हैव द स्किल्स। एंड फाइनली करियर हाउस जो होता है, इट विल टेल अस, जैसे अगर आपका 10th लॉर्ड थर्ड के साथ हो, जो छोटा भाई बहन हो, स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस विथ योर यंगर सिबलिंग्स और कॉमन इंटरेस्ट। अगर 10th लॉर्ड 11th में हो तो पहले भी कहा गेन्स, राइट? So
Mhm.
remember, astrology won't tell you exactly which job to choose, but it will give you pointers. It will tell you which field you need to get into. It will tell you what, how successful you will be, but you need to find your own inclination, your true calling, and discuss that with us. अगर हमने मून देखा and we tell you it is restaurant or hospice or dental or farming, you have to see which of these work for you, as
Right.
opposed to saying moon है मैं restaurant खोल लेता हूँ. Doesn't work that way, correct?
What your inclination is, finally, what your interest is, that will help you.
Repeat the same thing again. You are bigger than the kundali. You're a human being. You can choose. You can decide. You have the free will to make any choice you want. That's what
That
you have to do. The only thing holding you back is you. You cannot blame other people. You cannot say इनकी वजह से मैं लेट हुआ, इसकी वजह से ये हो गया। वो तो लाइफ टाइम चलेगा, करेक्ट?
that is
जो
so
दशा
true.
होती है, जो दशा होती है वो आपको पावर देती है। इट टेल्स यू स्टेप अप एंड डू इट नाउ। जब सनराइज होता है, यू गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग एंड यू गो टू वर्क। अगर सनराइज के टाइम पे आप सोए हुए हो, देन शाम तक खत्म हो जाता है दिन. You won't do anything, right? Learn to use the
Absolutely.
dasha to your benefit is what I'm saying. And that starts with identifying your true personality.
Absolutely. And that statement was pretty empowering because everything is in your control. So if you will work accordingly, then nobody can stop you. So listeners,
You know,
अगर
इस
आप सुन रहे
economy
हैं,
में,
जी,
when people are losing so many jobs
जी,
and many people are going back, there are some who are not going back. They're
hmm,
finding creative ways of staying here, right? कोई
right,
कहता है हमारी हम H4 पे हैं, हम कंपनी स्टार्ट कर देंगे. कोई कहता है मेरे फ्रेंड की कंपनी है, हम वहाँ बिजनेस पार्टनरशिप स्टार्ट कर देंगे. तो फॉर
hmm,
ऑल द लिसनर्स, इट इज नॉट द एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. यू कैन
absolutely.
डू समथिंग मीनिंगफुल. आप प्लान तो कीजिए. Why do you want to give up? Why do you want to say, oh, I lost my job, I'm done? No.
It's the beginning of the
Eh,
next chapter.
लाइफ में चैप्टर्स बहुत होते हैं. Everybody
Absolutely.
has chapters. Even we astrologers have chapters.
Yeah.
The advantage is हमें अपनी कुंडली पता है, हमें टाइमिंग पता है. We use it to our advantage. So you should use it to yours too. उसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है.
और ये एडवांटेज इज जस्ट अ फोन कॉल अवे. आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया के साथ, हु हैज 25 years of experience in the field of astrology and numerology, and he is right here in the Bay Area. If you want to connect with him, you can directly call him 408-639-5300. That's Dr. Bhatia's direct number, 408-639-5300, जहां आप कॉल कर सकते हैं, अपॉइंटमेंट ले सकते हैं, मिल सकते हैं उनसे, or you can get all the information regarding him through the website saketbhatia.com. और अभी अगर आप बात करना चाहते हैं, वी आर हाफ वे थ्रू द शो, वी कैन स्टिल टेक कॉल्स. 510-770-1550, that's studio lines number. You can give us a call right now with your question, and if it's a question related to astrology, numerology, or vastu, be ready with your date, time, and place of birth. Again, the studio line number for a quick question right now, 510-770-1550. So I think the most common question which all of us should be asking or should be knowing the answer to is, am I doing the right thing? Am I in the right direction, the right path?
So are you in the right path? That again depends upon you. That depends upon what your choices are. पहली बात तो आप क्या फील्ड में हो और आप क्या कर रहे हो. And then is your chart supporting further growth? Correct? Do you agree? If
Yeah,
your chart supports growth, your chart has planets which are supporting you, then you will be able to make the right meaningful choices. We will come back.
absolutely.
हर एक कुंडली के लिए शनि खराब नहीं होता. हर एक कुंडली के लिए राहु केतु खराब नहीं होते.
Ji,
केतु जो है, he gives confidence or what is it, the sense of comfort. अगर आप केतु आपके 10th हाउस में चला गया, it gives you comfort in your career. Yes, you're not growing, but you're very comfortable in your career. This is
ji,
important for many people who have leadership roles. Because अगर comfort नहीं होगा career में, how will you grow? On the other hand, it is not good for people who are working for somebody else down the food chain because इतने comfortable हो कि आपने सोचा ही नहीं कि आपको life में क्या करना है.
true. Uh,
Rahu, on the other hand, is very good for
ji,
people on the lower part of the food chain
ji,
because it makes them want to grow. But Rahu, when it is there for somebody who's very up, does not use his skills wisely. Rahu will make him create illusions of grandeur. And हमने देखा है कि generally these are two-sided people. They don't get happiness from career. They don't get happiness from fame. So you need to identify your strength. You need to identify that particular planet in your kundli which
ji.
happens to run your house of career. उसे strong कीजिए.
Sorry to interrupt. We do have a caller waiting. Can we quickly take a
Sure.
call? Hello,
Yes.
you're on air with Dr. Bhatia. Thanks for holding.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. How can I help you?
I have a question for myself.
Okay.
Do you need name?
No, I just need your date, place, and time. Name you is optional. देना है तो दीजिए. Otherwise, it's your choice.
So my date of birth is 18 July 77, and birth of
18th
place
July,
is 1977.
place of birth.
Mumbai.
And time of
Yeah.
birth?
Time of birth, I'm not sure. It's somewhere in the morning, but I don't have my time.
If we don't have the time, it will make it very difficult for us to give you an answer. Let's try. What is your question?
Yeah. So my question is, I am in the education job right now. I'm trying to switch, like take position, the different position in the same education job, and which is like comfortable for me. I think I can do it. So my question is, will I get that successfully, that education job, like my position changing, or should I do the business?
So, if you are born, that's what. If you are born, first
Mm-hmm.
of all, I tried to make, while I was talking to you, I tried changing your kundli. If you're born at 8 o'clock in the morning,
Uh-huh.
between let's say 7 and 9, then this is a kundli of business. Pure business, you have to start your own stuff. उसी से आपके पैसे बनेंगे, उसी से तरक्की होगी. But if you are
जी.
born at let's say 10 in the morning, now this becomes a
हाँ.
kundali of working in the education field. So you don't know what time you're born. That is an issue, na? अगर
Yeah.
हमें पता होता, we could map it out and tell you exactly on the show what to do. We'll have to ask you so many questions to come up with the right answer. Unfortunately, इस show पे नहीं होगा, because we'll have to ask you, your personal life, कब आए थे, बच्चे हैं, नहीं हैं, relations with people, health, and then we'll say, okay, you are born at 7:45 in the morning. But
So
generally,
I'm
looking at your
sure.
kundali, I will tell you, starting your business is better for you. Just looking at this kundali, uh,
Okay.
and high
And what
time you
kind
get
of
that.
business?
That we won't be able to say without knowing the time. Sorry. It is better
So
to not give answer than to give wrong.
if I say like I born after 10,
Mhm.
because I'm sure I'm not born before 10, like not
Okay.
early in the morning, but
Mhm.
if we say after 10, then what do you suggest?
So let's say you're born at 10 in the morning. Okay. 10 to
Hmm?
10:45 is stability for career. So what question did you want to know?
If we look at through the job perspective, like I'm trying to change my um, job position.
You want to
So will I
switch?
be
You
able to?
should. You will, but you won't be able to do it till October of this year. It is not recommended.
October.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And
October के
business
बाद you
is
have
not
about, if you're born
or
at 10,
business.
10, then if you're born at 10, then I don't recommend business for you. If you're born slightly before 10, yes. Why don't you give us a
Okay.
call? Let's see if we can figure this out. We can help you with this in
Sure.
more detail.
I
Okay.
want to give you a call. I will sure give you a call for sure.
Take your time. I wish you the best.
Yeah.
Good luck. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye.
The number where you can reach Dr. Bhatia is 408 639 5300. Or you can log on to the website and there you'll find the number. The website is saketbhatia.com. Thank you so much for your call. We have another caller waiting.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Bhatia.
Hey, good evening. My date of birth is August 23rd, 1973, Narnaul, Haryana, India.
Too
Morning
fast.
6:20.
I'm still
Okay.
stuck on August 23rd.
1973.
Okay. August 23rd, 1973. Time क्या था आपका?
6:20, 10 मिनट इधर
सुबह
उधर
के.
हो सकता है.
Okay. And
नारनौल, इंडिया.
कौन सा स्टेट में है वो?
हरियाणा में आता
हरियाणा.
बॉर्डर में. जी.
Okay. Okay. And question क्या है आपका?
करियर को लेके है जी. Will I have a good career ahead now?
How? इस कुंडली के हिसाब से आपके जो असेंडेंट है वो सन है, लियो. तो
जी.
you should have started something of your own in life. At least you should.
Okay.
Potential था आप में.
तो उम्मीद
Okay.
तो उम्मीद है कि आगे मैं जाके यही करूं. Thank you.
You should. Okay. But
Okay.
इसकी जो दशा है वो अब स्टार्ट हो गई है. If you haven't started your business, you should, but you should wait till 26th of sorry, you should wait till February 19, 2026. आपका question है, you're working for someone and you're asking how will your career be?
जी, money, monetary, it's career and wealth.
Career and wealth. तो अभी जो
जी।
planet केतु है वो आपके career house which is money house से निकल रहा है. Okay, that is good for you. Jupiter जो है वो transit में third house में जा रहा है, so he is not aspecting money. Monetary wise, you won't make money in terms of salary, but you can make money in terms of gains. अगर आपके कोई investment हो, कोई property हो या कुछ भी हो, that will give you some benefic result. दशा आपकी है शनि मार्स की. शनि मार्स is a very tricky दशा. I don't see anything very good happening for you till February of 2026. Feb 2026 के बाद शनि राहु आता है इस कुंडली के लिए, that is very nice. So please have some patience for the next 8 months. Good things will happen
Sure,
after
sir.
8 months, but तब से लेके अब तक, it's just going to be the way it is, unfortunately, or fortunately. But no job loss, no anything bad happening to your career. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you so much for
Bye.
the call. Can we take another call?
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Bhatia. Thanks for holding.
Hello, Dr. Bhatia. How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Good, good. Always enjoy your program. Knowledgeable so much.
Thank you so
My
much.
question, my birth date is April 15, 1969. Place
Okay.
is Pimpri, Pune. Time is 9:55 a.m.
Okay.
We want to,
9:55
we have,
p.m.
yeah,
Acha. And question?
we have a house right where we are staying right now. We want to upgrade ourselves to move to another house. आपको कुछ दिख रहा है? कुछ हो सकता है? Possible, so time is right to make a move or
So you-
what?
Do you want to buy another house?
Yes.
तो ये प्रॉपर्टी का है, यू वांट टू बाय अ हाउस. हम यही कहते हैं
Yes.
शो पे कि पीपल शुड बाय अ हाउस व्हेन देयर इज दशा ऑफ फोर्थ लॉर्ड जो प्रॉपर्टी का है, या उस पे अच्छा प्लैनेट ट्रांजिट कर रहा है, या शनि या मून. अब इस कुंडली में यू आर अ टॉरस असेंडेंट. ओके. टॉरस असेंडेंट का लॉर्ड वीनस है, विच इज प्रॉपर्टी, विच इज वेरी वेल प्लेस्ड, एग्जॉल्टेड है वो. आपका नक्षत्र भी
April
होता
15,
है
right?
या April 15th.
Okay.
टॉरस असेंडेंट हो, वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी में टॉरस हो, बट वेस्टर्न में आप एरीज हो. डज दैट मेक सेंस? सो डोंट कंफ्यूज द टू.
Okay. Okay.
वीनस, मून, राहु तीनों बैठे हैं गेंस के घर में. दशा चल रही है मून की. वो दशा खत्म होती है 29 सितंबर 2025. अगर आपको लेना भी है, यू शुड बाय वन बिफोर 29 सितंबर, क्योंकि उससे पहले, उसके बाद केतु आ जाता है घर में, which is not advisable for you to buy property. Are you planning on buying any time between now and September? If you are, do it. Otherwise, I would say wait. And wait till June of 2026. तो या अब से लेके सितंबर में कर लो. And yes, to answer your second question, I do see gains. It is possible. Gains भी आएंगे, but time it right. अब से लेके सितंबर तक खरीदो. नहीं होता है तो next year ले लो. After 30th of April 2026 all the way down till November of 2026. दो अच्छी windows है,
Okay.
and it will make money for you. You'll do fine.
Yeah, because I don't want financial crunch to come. That's why I want your advice. That's why, always want to ask.
There is no
Thank you
financial
so much.
crunch. इस कुंडली में राहु अच्छा planet है और वो आपके करियर के घर पे आ रहा है. So he is either going to expand your career or make you switch your career. You're not going to lose your job. There's going to be no financial crunch.
Thank you.
और इस कुंडली में 6 लॉर्ड जो डेट्स का है वो गेन्स में चला गया. मीन्स एनी लोन यू टेक फॉर योर हाउस विल ओनली वर्क आउट बेटर फॉर यू. It's not going to hurt
I
you.
see.
Good
Oh,
luck.
okay. Thank you so much.
To all the listeners tuned in and listening to us on Radio Zindagi, सुन रहे हैं आप द साकेत भाटिया एस्ट्रोलॉजी शो, जहां पर जुड़ते हैं आप डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया के साथ every Tuesday 4 to 5 p.m. Dr. Bhatia, who has a PhD in astrology and a certified numerologist, connects with you, answers your question and clarifies if you have any doubts. आप अगर शो रेगुलरली सुनते हैं तो you know that this show itself is educating you to understand your kundali, your chart in a better way and to see what prospects you have in future. कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं आप डॉक्टर भाटिया के साथ बाय कॉलिंग हिम डायरेक्टली 408-639-5300. दैट्स द नंबर वे यू कैन रीच हिम डायरेक्टली 408-639-5300. और आप उनकी वेबसाइट के थ्रू उनकी ऑफिस लोकेशन उनके बारे में ज़्यादा जान सकते हैं. saketbhatia.com is that website, or you can write to him info@saketbhatia.com. And if you have any quick question, we have around 10 more minutes. You can give us a call 510-770-1550. So before taking any more calls, now for people who think that if there are any obstacles in their career path or if the time is not right, are there any possible remedies जिससे ये ठीक किया जा सकता है या कुछ बेटर किया जा सकता है?
There are always remedies for everything, right? अगर आपको कोई बीमारी है, you go to a doctor, he tells you ये दवाई ले लो, it will help you. Same way astrology में भी remedies होती हैं. बट रेमेडी के लिए यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि कौन सा प्लैनेट आपके कुंडली में इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहा है करियर को. देयर आर वेरी पावरफुल सॉल्यूशंस इन एस्ट्रोलॉजी जो हम रेकमेंड करते हैं. वी हैव सीन रिमार्केबल रिजल्ट्स व्हेन फॉलोड करेक्टली. ओके, व्हेन फॉलोड करेक्टली. इफ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस, सन हैज टू बी वेरी स्ट्रांग. लीडरशिप अथॉरिटी के लिए अच्छा है. फॉर दोज ऑफ यू जो गवर्नमेंट पोजीशंस में काम करते हैं, सन स्ट्रांग कीजिए. हाउ डू यू मेक सन स्ट्रांग? पहली बात तो देखिए, इज योर सन वीक? Just placement of sun in a good house does not mean it is strong. कभी कभी सन exalted है, बट उस बैठा है शनि के साथ या बैठा है मर्क्यूरी के साथ या उसे केतु देख रहा है, it will automatically make it weak. That means you have the personality to lead, you have the ability to lead, but you're not leading because you're sometimes less confident. इसकी remedies क्या हैं? First, offer water to sun in a copper vessel during sunrise. It's a very good remedy. एक मंत्र होता है, ओम सूर्य नमः. हम कहते हैं every day chanted 108 times. It's good. Another option is try going to a temple on Sunday and give something which is related to sun. What is that? Atta, good. That is considered two positive remedies. In some cases, we can even say wear a ruby, which is indication of sun. तो ये सन की रेमेडीज हो गई. मून, इफ यू वांट अ स्ट्रांग स्टेबिलिटी एंड क्लैरिटी ऑफ थॉट इन बिजनेस और इन करियर, मून को स्ट्रांग कीजिए. फॉर मेकिंग मून स्ट्रांग वी से ऑफर वाइट राइस, ऑफर एनीथिंग वाइट इन अ टेम्पल. दूध दे दो, बट दैट हैज टू बी डन ऑन अ मंडे. मून के भी मंत्र होते हैं. एक चीज ऑप्शनल है, ऑफर वाइट फ्लावर्स टू गॉडेस दुर्गा. इट कैन ऑल्सो से वेयर अ वाइट पर्ल इन अ सिल्वर रिंग ऑन अ मंडे इवनिंग. These are good remedies for moon, for making your mental ability stronger. For professional energy, which is drive to succeed, to make decisions in life, make Mars strong. Mars is a planet which is red in color, right? Mars is also Tuesday. तो हम कहते हैं ट्यूसडे के दिन हनुमान चालीसा पढ़िए. ट्यूसडे को मंदिर में मसूर दाल चढ़ाइए. गिव एनीथिंग रेड इन अ टेम्पल. रेड में चना दाल होता है, रेड में सैफरन होता है. You can also donate something
Wheat.
red like red cloth. Wheat
Wheat?
is for sun.
Okay,
It is for
but it
sun.
is not considered red.
No, it is not considered red. No form of wheat.
Okay.
Mars के लिए we say you can also wear copper. Coral की एक ring बना सकते हैं copper में. You can wear that on your finger. फिर आते हैं Mercury के लिए, which is business success, communication. Those people investing in stock market, those people in acting profession, individuals like yourself who are RJs. We say अगर Mercury strong करना है for speech, acumen, intelligence, then make sure your Mercury is strong. उसके लिए offer green, which is मूंग दाल. Mercury एक बच्चे का planet होता है because we talk like children, we talk a lot. तो Mercury के लिए try donating money to an orphanage. That always helps as a secondary thing. Donate something green to a temple. You can also donate मूंग दाल. You can donate flowers, green cloth. This is considered good. एक emerald पहन सकते हो आप. If you really like, that is considered good for making Mercury strong. Next आएंगे Jupiter, the planet of wisdom, luck, grace, fortune. ये yellow planet है. So Try doing something related to Jupiter on a Thursday. Go to a temple on a Thursday. Go donate something which is yellow, like chana dal hoti hai again. You can donate bananas. इनका लॉर्ड होता है भगवान विष्णु. So we say pray to भगवान विष्णु on a Wednesday, Thursday. Yellow sapphire पहन सकते हो आप gold में. I know some people Vedika who do each one of these every day. So they go, they'll donate this or they'll do this puja, and that also works, right? इनका भी एक मंत्र होता है ओम सोम शुक्र नमः. फिर आते हैं शनिदेव, which is for professional stability, long term career success. इनके लिए हम कहते हैं डोनेट मस्टर्ड ऑयल या ब्लैक तिल शनिदेव को सैटरडे के दिन. नीलम होता है इनका स्टोन. और इनके लिए यू कैन ऑल्सो डोनेट उड़द दाल विच इज ब्लैक कलर. इफ यू वांट यू कैन ऑल्सो डोनेट मनी टू विडोज और मनी टू व्हाट वी से होमलेस पीपल, ब्लाइंड पीपल. उनको अगर पैसे डोनेट करो इट इज कंसिडर्ड टू कीप Saturn very stable. And I think I missed one, which is Venus, which gives harmony in the workplace. And if you're doing any business related to luxury, जैसे wedding hall है आपका, शादियां करा रहे हो, for that make Venus strong. Offer white flowers to goddess Lakshmi on a Friday. Venus and Moon are actually related because they are white planets. तो कुछ भी white donate कीजिए, but in this case donate it on Friday. And इसका भी एक मंत्र होता है ओम शोम शुक्र नमः, which is for creative fields. So people dealing with clothing, high-end jewelry or something like that. And for all women out there, the diamond is considered to be the ruling stone for Venus. So get one. It will make you feel more luxurious. It will make you feel more rich. It will make you feel more happy.
Definitely. Women are very happy listening to this. We have a caller waiting. Let's quickly take a call. We have just last 4 minutes in the show.
Sure.
Thank you so much for
Hello.
holding. Yeah, go ahead.
Hello, Dr. Bhatia. So I'm just recently in the final stages of buying a duplex home. So I have a couple of questions. First, like duplex has 2 units. So based on my chart, if you can tell me which number will suit more. And other thing is, I'm buying it with my brother. So how exactly will that collaboration be? If you can help me answer.
What is your date of birth?
7 January 1991.
January 7th, 1991. Okay.
Yeah, and time of birth is 12:20 p.m. and place of birth is Delhi.
Okay. So 12:20 p.m. in New Delhi, January 7th, 1991, right?
Yes. Yes.
So let's do one question at a time. जो बड़ा भाई है कि छोटा भाई है?
बड़ा भाई है.
तो बड़े भाई में वीनस राहु शनि बैठ गए. पहले भी शो पे यही कहा है कि Saturn is property, Venus is more of a luxurious property. And राहु भाई के घर में बैठा है, वो अपने ही न्यूट्रल डिग्निटी में है. उसका लॉर्ड जो शनि है वो भी वहां बैठा है. तो माय आंसर, डू इट. D9 चार्ट विच इज लक चार्ट, उसमें भी शनि 11वें घर में बैठा है. इट इज कॉल्ड वर्गोत्तम. यू विल डू वेल, नो प्रॉब्लम. कोइंसिडेंटली आपकी दशा भी चल रही है जुपिटर शनि की. You will be fine.
So, Dr.
What is your
Bhatia,
other question?
one unit ends with number 5, another one with 7. Which one shall I go for? I mean to say the total sum of the unit number ends with 5, completes with 5 and 7. Which one shall I go for?
आपका जो ascendant है ना वो 12 है, which is 5 plus 7. You are actually Vedic astrology में Pisces. नवम कुंडली में भी आप Pisces हो. So this is going to be a trick question for me. Property is ruled by number 3, which is closer to 5. Go with 5.
Okay, we'll go with 5. Thank you.
Go with 5. Obviously, अगर और detail चाहिए, you can call me offline and talk. But to answer your questions in a nutshell, we generally answer 1. 3 will be better. And भाई के साथ कीजिए. Timing is tricky because timing you have till May of 19th to complete this transaction. उसके बाद Jupiter Mercury दशा आती है, which is not as favorable but kind of favorable for you still, but not as favorable. Okay, good luck.
Okay.
Thank you so much to all the callers and all the listeners who were tuning in and listening to us. But to all the callers who are trying to reach us now, we can't take any more calls, unfortunately. All my lines are ringing. So studio line gets busy towards the end of the show, guys. If you have any question, you can call between 4 to 5, but we can't take any more calls. But आप directly call कर सकते हैं डॉक्टर भाटिया को anytime 408-639-5300. Again, the number जहां आप डॉक्टर भाटिया से directly connect कर सकते हैं is 408-639-5300. And the website for all the information is saketbhatia.com. So do call and connect, and आपकी questions के जवाब आपको मिलेंगे. So with that, we are at the end of the show. Thank you so much for joining us on air today, and we'll continue the topic next week.
अगले हफ्ते हम बात करेंगे बिजनेस पार्टनरशिप. शुड यू स्टार्ट विद अ पार्टनर, शुड यू डू इट योरसेल्फ? अगर
जी.
पार्टनर के साथ करना है, शुड यू टेक लीडरशिप रोल और लेट देम बी लीड्स? एंड यही कह रहे थे वेदिका,
जी.
मार्स, अगर हमारे लिसनर्स का मार्स स्ट्रांग होता वो पहले फोन करते. Mars
Okay.
is the ability to take action. But thank
Wonderful.
you for another good show. We will
जी.
connect again next week. Okay.
Thank you so much for all the information and all the positivity. We'll talk to you again next Tuesday.
Take care. Bye.
You are listening to Radio Zindagi. KZDG 1550